this main section, or this main part, we then want to go and check out the second iteration. So what they give us for this second orthographic drawing is we now need to create some different versions of it. So 3 different versions. We're changing these angles, so you can see the default angle is 15, A is now 10, B 7, D 5, and the distances from the center points for the holes are changing, and we've also got the diameter here changing as well. So what we can do is head back into Onshape, and we can go over to the right and we have our configuration panel. Very, very straightforward. We want to configure this part. So I click on here. I need to then go into my sketch, okay, and I can choose the dimensions I want to configure. I can right click on here and I can go configure dimension for that 70. I also want to dimension this, so I can configure that dimension, and I want to configure this, so I can configure that dimension. So the default is perfect. That is what we want. We can then go and, oops, that's not what I meant to do. We want it to go B, C, and D. And the dimensions we want to change for B, it was going down to 60. It was then going down to 50, and I think it was then going down to 40. Let's just double check those. 60, 50, 40. Then we're going 125, 150, 175. 125, 150, 175. Press enter. And then our angle is reducing by, 10, 7, and 5. So we can go 10, 7, and 5. And then if I click configure features, sorry, it didn't do that, it does it automatically, we should be good. So I can click away from this box here, and what I can then do is I can very easily go up and change my defaults in this top left to B, to C, and to D, and let's just, for a bit of sanity, go in and look at this sketch here. So we can see that's now 175, 40, and 5 degrees. And in our drawing, it should be 175, 40, and 5 degrees. Very, very useful for quickly changing parts.